Okay, here I am going to go ahead and demonstrate the course management system. We'll just go through each of the features at a time. Something to note that we do have a bug that sometimes doesn't load all the information properly after a student is selected, but the data is there. As you can see, if I click back and forth on this, you could see that, the current courses didn't display property and pass grades. That's just a bug that we will fix as we get time. Anyway, so according to the requirements, we display all of the students here in a list, and you can switch between them. They all have a UUID, the name, address, student phone number, as well as current courses they're taking, creating screensavers and how to use Google, as well as past grades. You can display your waitlist courses and available courses. By requesting a course, click request course. It caught us there. Student is already enrolled. So let's try a different one. Student enrolled, and that enrolls them in a course. Additionally, we can assign letter grades. Obviously, doing this inside of the student screen, the student wouldn't do this in a student context. It would be by the instructor context and who created the course, as in a instructor would have to be the one assigning the grade. All right, and instructors, it looks like we have a pretty similar screen here. Fewer things to display. We have courses and taught courses. Again, this has the same problem in which sometimes the taught course won't come up. Additionally, we can go ahead and teach course. All right. And that really is it for the instructors portion. Again, it's very similar to the student screen in that all instructors have UUIDs, names, address, phone number, as well as the seats available for each of their courses that they're teaching. And finally, under administration here, we have next term. This is where you can handle switching to different terms. We have our Weka integration. We have the ability to manage students, so we can delete a student. We can edit their information. So we'll call this person Freddie. We can actually go back into students. You'll see that's now Freddie Smith. And it's the same way with instructors. You could do the same thing about changing their information. Additionally, you can change their hire status. And you can see that they will be updated here. And of course, they can't be teaching any courses if they're not hired. And we can change up the course catalog too. So then just to verify that, data structures has been updated. Finally, we have the reports. So we just take a student ID, submit, and then it will bring back, well, it won't bring anything back. Okay. Let's try an instructor then. Ah, well, I did warn you and say that the application was not entirely bug-free. But anyway, that is the demonstration of the course management system. This is not hosted locally right now, but in the virtual machine, you will be able to play around with the code, check out the database, and anything else that's necessary. And that concludes the presentation.